So, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I did a video kind of reviewing how the exhaust system on this old Ford is held up. So I figured I'd get a driving video of it. Nice F-body Camaro. And we got somebody coming a ways down there. Let the engine warm up a little bit more. But I'm basically just gonna shut up once we get rolling. Please excuse the exhaust manifold tick. Just fucking way she goes on that one. It's gonna be like that a while, unfortunately. It's fucking snowing out today. Today is May 1st. And it's snowing. I'm rather unhappy about this. And let's roll. Obviously, I got the windshield wipers on because it's raining and snowing. I have the heater on since obviously it's cold enough to snow. It's still a little bit chilly. Semi-truck driver up there kind of screwing us all a little bit. Somebody else is turning. We're waiting. I don't understand why it's so busy. Okay, I guess nobody turned. Everybody just fucking forgot where their gas pedals are. Volkswagen. Wait, no, that's a Ford. Everything looks the same anymore. All you can really hear is that manifold tick. Got a small hill. Hear an exhaust note, not loud. There you can hear the inline six grumble a little, but not bad. She's still pretty quiet. Yeah, just putting at 35, you can't even hear the engine. You can hear the manifold tick a little bit. There with the heater off, you can hear it a little bit, but for the most part, she's pretty quiet. Well, folks, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't one of the better ones. A lot of traffic today for some reason. I'm not really sure what's going on. Bad weather, some construction works getting ready to go. I think maybe that's part of why the traffic was acting so stupid. Just all the trucks are out and everything. But quick 20-second car review. F-body Firebird. Those are fucking awesome. That's all I have to say about them. Super fucking badass. A little bit of a bitch to work on because the engine is almost like front mid engine. The engine's like up under the dash. Kind of a cocksucker to get to your fucking back four spark plugs and shit, but really cool. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, maybe give the video a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I post 3 times a week. Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So, would really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out, and thanks for watching.